Are you using the law of reciprocity in your business?
Welcome to the Love of Business. I'm Crystal.
And I'm Sunshine. Let's get to it. So the law of reciprocity. I think I know what that is.
Take a go at it.
Okay, so when someone buys me something or takes me to lunch or maybe meets for a coffee and they make the purchase, I always want to do that back for them or, send them a thank you card or something.
Why do you think that is? Why do you feel that way?
Well, some of it's a little bit of guilt, I guess. Not that I want to equate giving a gift or spending time with somebody with the word guilt, but I want them to be able to experience the same joy that I felt when I received a gift or spent time with them.
Yeah, makes sense. Let's dig a little bit deeper into that.
Okay.
The law of reciprocity says that if someone does something nice for you, you instinctively want to do something nice for them to pay them back. So it's literally in our human DNA to keep paying it forward after we receive something. So there's a lot of different ways you can use the law of reciprocity in your business. One example would be you could buy a referral partner a cup of coffee or take them out to lunch. And then maybe they'll want to repay you with referrals to grow your business. Or maybe you have a hot prospect who's just on the verge of closing and using your service or buying your products. Maybe you could mail them a book related to their business to give them value, and then they will want to do something back for you, such as use your service or buy your products.
Who knew that you could actually use the law of reciprocity within your business and it be successful?
Yeah, it's one of the universal laws, and it works.
Well, don't forget to get out there and use the law of reciprocity to better your business. And let us know what your number one takeaway is from today. Leave us a comment, and thanks for watching.